The integration between SparkHire's video interviewing platform and Lever's talent acquisition suite gives hiring teams immediate access to their candidates' video interviews directly within Lever's software. With this integration, mutual customers will create interview packages in SparkHire that consist of all of their interview details. These interview packages will be tied to jobs in Lever, so candidates that are submitted to the SparkHire stage for the job in Lever are routed to the proper SparkHire interview. Once the SparkHire integration has been activated in your Lever settings, you'll begin configuring your interview packages in SparkHire. Log into your SparkHire account and navigate to the Integrations page for Lever in your settings. Activate the integration and then click to configure Lever. Click to configure the API key and plug the API key you generated in Lever into this field. Save the API key and head back to Configure. You'll now be able to configure which stage in Lever will trigger SparkHire interviews. Click to configure the stage. The drop-down menu will display each of the stages you have available in Lever. The stage you select here will initiate the SparkHire interview for candidates who are moved to that stage. So we recommend speaking with Lever to set up a new stage named SparkHire. Save the stage and navigate back to Configure. To map the users that you'd like to have access to the integration, click to Map Users, and then select which user in SparkHire corresponds to which user in Lever. When you've finished linking your users, navigate back to Configure. The last step in the configuration process is to create your interview packages. First, you'll select the SparkHire job that you'd like the interview to be associated with. Then, select the corresponding job in Lever. Next, select the question set you'd like to use for interviews created for those particular jobs. If you don't find a job or question set that you'd like in the dropdown, simply return to your SparkHire dashboard to create new jobs and question sets. Once you've selected your job and question set, you'll pick a relative deadline for interviews created using this package. We recommend choosing a deadline between 5 to 7 days for candidates, but you can certainly choose a shorter deadline if your candidate knows that the interview is on its way to them. Click to create the interview package and you'll see it listed below in your current interview packages. After you've configured your interview packages in SparkHire, you can begin sending out interview invitations to candidates in Lever. To invite a candidate to interview, move the candidate to the stage you've configured for SparkHire. The interview package associated with the job will be triggered, and the interview invitation will be sent to the candidate. You can also trigger the SparkHire interview for a group of candidates using the Bulk Actions option. You'll see a confirmation that the interview has been created for the candidate on the candidate record in Lever. When the candidate completes the interview, you'll see an update noted in the candidate's record, along with the interview results. The share link allows you to quickly access the interview or share the interview with others who are not users on your SparkHire platform. The interview link below will open the SparkHire interview in a new tab for quick access to SparkHire's collaboration tools, including sharing, rating, commenting, and more. For additional information on the integration, head to SparkHire.com and request a demo. If you're an existing customer, reach out to your SparkHire Customer Success Manager today.